Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a comparison between the Pixel 6 Pro and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video is just a discussion video. I'm going to compare the Pixel 6 Pro to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm going to do like a Geekbench score. I'm going to go over some spec. We can look at the screen displays, talk about the cameras, and just have an overall discussion about what phone is best, what phone does this, what phone does that. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. We can definitely have a friendly discussion on which one is your favorite phone and which one has the best build and everything else. But they do both look beautiful right now on their own thing. Look at that finish on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but also look at the colors with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. But let's talk about the display first. Look at that display too on that one. And look at the display on this. They are beautiful. Beautiful looking displays. On the S21 Ultra, we have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED panel. It is 120 Hz refresh rate. On the Google Pixel 6 Pro, it's a 6.7-inch curved Quad HD display, up to 120 Hz refresh rate. And they both look really great, by the way. Let's see. But they both turned up too. They both get bright during the day in the sunlight. They both are great watching videos. They are, I mean, look at them. They're great displays. Let me play a little video for y'all. Give me one moment. All right, so I'm gonna just play part of this video. I don't know how it's gonna come out in the video, but what I'm seeing on the screen, they are beautiful displays. But let's get this started. Just look at the colors on here. Hopefully it's coming out as good as I wanted to in the video. But watching videos like this on YouTube and watching other videos on these phones, the displays are great. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. So let me pause these videos, come back, and let's move this discussion along. All right, so for displays, I'm actually going to give the winner to both of them. I think they tied. I think I love both of them just as much as one of the other ones. So for me, the displays are a tie. So the S21 Ultra has Android 11. The Pixel is on Android 12, which the Ultra will get Android 12 very soon. I think they're working on it right now. The Ultra comes with 128, 256, or 512 gigabytes of storage. Same thing with the Pixel 6 is 128, 256, or 512. They both have stereo speakers which sound really good. On the stereo speakers, I'm actually going to give that to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. They both have wireless charging. They also have reverse wireless charging. They both have water resistant IP68 rating, so that's pretty much a tie. They both have 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. The S21 Ultra, to me, has better battery life than the Pixel 6 Pro, but I think the Pixel 6 Pro can get optimized a little bit more, and the battery life might be about the same or even better than the S21 Ultra. More tests to come on that one. Google made their own chip for the Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6. It has the Tensor chip with the M1 Titan security chip in there, where the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it has the Snapdragon 888 processor in there. Google mentioned in the event that for the Tensor chip, they wasn't worried about Geekbench scores or benchmark scores because they said that always doesn't compute to everyday use. But we're going to do a test. Let's see which one has the better Geekbench scores. Now I will speed this up some. I might cut all of it out. Let's just see which one scores better. Y'all let me know in the comments which one y'all think's gonna win. Before y'all see the results, let me know in the comments before we actually get it here. So hurry up and go in the comments. Put what y'all think, who is gonna win this Geekbench score right now. All right, I don't know if y'all can see that right now, but on the S21 Ultra, it's at 1089 for a single core, and then also 3363 for the multi-core. Where the Google Pixel 6 Pro, 1033 on single and 2723. What does that mean in everyday use? That means that you get the best of the best. I don't use Geekbench scores to really compute with that, but I can tell you right now, they both run really great. I have both phones. I've been using both phones for a while now, and they run great. I don't think you can go wrong with the performance on either one of these phones. Now, where they differ a little bit is the cameras. Look at that camera array there, and then look at the camera array here. So let's go over the cameras really quick too. The S21 Ultra has a 108 megapixel main shooter with a 12 megapixel ultra wide, then two 10 megapixel telephoto lens. It's a beast. That's what I'm trying to get to. On the rear cameras for the 6 Pro, you have a 50 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. So it is definitely a beast itself. The S21 Ultra can shoot in 8K, where the most that the Pixel 6 Pro can do is 4K at 60. Where Google is catching up to the Samsung Galaxy S20 or Samsung period is in the video department. The videos on the Pixel 6 Pro have improved. I actually did a comparison. I might drop that video before or after this video, so I'll let y'all know. Y'all will see it before or after. The photos, always Google does a great job. Again, I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these phones. It's just what you like and what you want out of a phone. Also, they weigh about the same weight too. I mean, this one is a bigger phone. Look, not by much though. They're about the same really. But they feel, I mean, they both feel really great in the hand. They really do. And they both look great too. Look at that. So overall, I enjoy both of these phones, but let's break it down a little bit and let's see if we can pick a winner. All right, so on the display, I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna get the display a tie. Battery life, I'm gonna go with the S21 Ultra. As far as the overall experience, Android 12, I'm gonna give my overall experience with the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, this might be a shocker too. Overall build quality on the phone, they're about the same. I mean, they feel great in the hands, but this matte finish, for me, is a beautiful thing. Like Easy says on Easy Computer Solutions, to me, this is a Beyonce of a phone. I love the matte finish on there. So the overall build, I'm gonna give to Samsung again. If you're looking for speakers, speaker tests, I will say that the speakers on the Pixel 6 Pro sound a little bit better than the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So for speakers, I will give that to the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, a lot of people may agree or disagree with me on the next statement. The Pixel 6 Pro and the S21 Ultra, if you look at the overall performance of both phones, I have both phones. I have done video and photos on both of these phones. During the day, the Pixel 6 Pro and the S21 Ultra, I think it's a tie. I can't pick a winner. If you like saturated colors, get with the S21 Ultra. If you want more real life colors, more natural colors, the Pixel 6 Pro is great. I think as far as videos go, the 6 Pro has improved a lot compared to, say, the Pixel 5a or even the Pixel 5. The 4A XL. I think it's on the same level with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's have a discussion. If y'all believe me or not, I have both phones. I'm saying that the video on the Pixel 6 Pro is just as good as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It is what it is. Now, where the 6 Pro does a better job in video and camera-wise is nighttime video and photos. Hands down, I think the Pixel 6 Pro does a better job. You can't go wrong with either phone though, but on the cameras, I'm gonna give it another tie. That's my feelings. Y'all let me know your opinions. Which one y'all think have the better cameras? Now, one thing I forgot to mention too is where the Pixel 6 Pro will outshine the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and this is the MSRP. I don't worry about deals, not worry about any type of discounts, when I'm comparing it this way, the Pixel 6 Pro will beat it in price. $12.99 or $11.99 to $8.99. It beats it, hands down. You get a lot for $8.99 on this phone. You really, really do. So price-wise, the Pixel wins on that one too. Now, in the overall decision, drum roll. I don't think you can go wrong with either phone. I really don't think you can. If you love Samsung, then stay with your Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you want something different, if you're not Samsung into the ecosystem, try the Google Pixel 6 Pro. If you're an Apple fanboy and you want to move over, the phone I would recommend for you to try out will be the Pixel 6 Pro, because that will give you the closest experiences, say, to iOS, and it's just simple to use too. The stock Android on here is great. I know a lot of people are going to be like, you made this whole video and you're going to call it a tie. Yes, I'm going to call it a tie. Look, if you want to save some dough and you want a great experience, you get pretty much the same features in this phone. Save your money. $8.99 is a great deal for the Pixel 6 Pro. But if you want to spend a little bit more, get that premium feel, that look there, go ahead, get the S21 Ultra. You could probably find a deal to get it about the same price as the Pixel 6 Pro right now either. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know if I'm gonna do more videos like this in the future, but if you want me to, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on either one of these phones. I do have them still, not going anywhere. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.